Yo, what's litigious? Or litigious, I can't say, but it's contagious and lit together. So what I'm gonna be doing is, I'm making food. So, I'm gonna move this out of the way, just for fun. And I'm hungry, so, litigious. It's litigious, I guess. I don't know how to say the word, but my word now, so. Anyways, what we're making is hot dog. I'm only eating hot dog because I want to. Because it's just something I've been turning a stove on. There you go. Ooh.
No, I'm not a professional cook, but I am good at.
Okay, so I know how to cook. I know how to cook a little bit. I make hamburgers, I make hot dogs, I make pancakes and stuff like that. No, I am so litigious! Damn, Daniel. Oof.
You guys?
Yeah. So, shout out to my sister because she's making this beautiful toast. It's so good. And she's doing it on her channel, so just a link in the description. Oh! So, I made to welcome you. It's steaming. It sounds good. Here's my sister, she's trying to put sugar in the way as I'm trying to cook. She's in the way of me cooking. It doesn't matter though, because I love her.
You got a nice armpit shot, so just love that.
It's, YouTube. Don't copyright the sizzling. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, I'm not going to put the link in the description. I'm just going to say it as in a video. So, subscribe to my sister's channel. It's either Nat. It's either Nat. Alright, hold on. It's either Nat Space Direct or Slime Peeves Slime Pet Peeves all together, and then space, and then official. So, and then also go follow her on Instagram and Musically, which is
my Instagram is ITX_always LITX, which is kind of confusing.
It_always lit.
X. I call it X.
Always lit. But, and what's your Musically?
My Musically is I forgot.
Your Musically.
Savage_6676675.
There you go. You guys got all this shout outs. Now, for me, mine is hashtag.
To try this toast.
Last_.
It's good, huh?
That's lit. Lit. What is lit? Hashtag last_can101. And my Musically, Trap_1_nation667 or 101.
Good, huh? Oh, he's rolling. After school on Friday, Priscilla, she was running. I actually stole something.
Really?
Yeah, it's kind of funny.
Wait, by the way, this is lit. Oh, and I feel so sad now, Alex. I feel so sad now because we haven't introduced our third dog that we had. Her name's Soccer. She's really cute. I'm going to put her down because she's going to run away. Have fun. Love you. So, yeah. A little, if you guys want to hear us talk.
Ow. You flicked off my finger.
So,
it's peanut butter sugar.
when you guys hear all the talking, it's
and check out my video that I just posted right now. Well,
I just told them that. All depends if they go. Sorry about my laugh. It's just I'm using my breath. Get out of the way! I'm trying to cook. Don't die on me, hot dog, please. Ooh, she's slapping. She's slapping the meat. And hot dog rolled. Oh, that's so infirm. I'm getting surgery tomorrow.
You are?
Not tomorrow. On Tuesday. Speaking of which, and I can go call mom. Can call her mom and tell her that for her to come on Monday because it'd be better because if it starts in the morning, then she won't have enough time. I'll do it.
I don't know. You didn't know I paused it. It's very deep.
She paused it? Get the hell out of here. Go.
Well, because you aren't cooking anything.
Eh.
Okay.
You're an eh.
You're an
Just trying to keep you guys. What a...
Why did you eat that?
Because it's not a perfect bun.
Okay.
It's really nasty.
Oh,
Hold on, guys. Now, I need to get a plant. No, this is how I did it. Let's see if this thing is still sizzle. Alright. Well, that was my video today. That's how you cook a hot dog. It was easy. See you guys in the next video.